Hey everybody, welcome to the show. This is the design that I'm making for Puff. He has been one of my biggest supporters and got me over the 100 mark for sure. I went from 30 to like 122 in a day. So that was all thanks to Puff Pass XL. So this is the board we're making for him. I'm pretty excited how it's going to turn out. We're going to play around with the head, make sure it works out right. So either way, this is going to be pretty awesome, even if we have to do it with paint. But I'm going to try to do it with doing some router bits, different router, carving it out, and then using the torch over there to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut down some wood here. I'm going to use the oak for the center, because that oak is, you know, it's not going to break. And Puff is a pretty good guy, so we don't want it to snap on him. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to rip it down and go from there.